purpose of a warm-up is to increase the heart rate and blood flow into the muscles. To do this, we're going to use a combination of locomotor and dynamic flexibility movements, not static stretches. You do your static stretches at the end. All right, let's begin. All right, everyone, we'll get this started with our first locomotor movement, a nice easy jog. And we'll be jogging both forwards and backwards because in most sports or activities you will have to go in both directions. Remember, a jog is definitely not your fastest run, not a sprint, but more than a walk. Great start, everybody. Now it's time for a 15-second walk break. We'll continue to walk both forwards and backwards as we rest up to prepare for the next skill. All right, everyone, next up is high knees. We're going to continue at a jogging pace forwards and backwards, only now our range of motion has increased. Knees should rise up to about the level of your waist. Great job, everybody. 15-second walk break. Now it's time for gluteus maximus kickers. Make sure your heels strike your gluteus maximus every single time as you continue at your jogging pace. Great job, 15-second walk break. "30 seconds of toy soldiers or Frankensteins. Walk with your arms extended. Every time you take a step, kick with your opposite leg towards the opposite hand. Take your time on this movement. This is definitely not a race. Concentrate on your balance and generating upward force with the leg strike. Time for your 15-second walk break. Time to hop. Each time you get to one side, switch and hop on the other foot. Second walk break. Walking lunges with a twist. Concentrate on a slow pace. As you lunge, twist towards the side of your front leg. And try to step through to the next lunge without a middle step. Keep your eyes up and take nice big steps to allow for proper depth. Each leg should end up at approximately a 90-degree angle. "15-second walk break. Time to skip. The pattern here is step, hop, remembering to raise your opposite arm and opposite leg throughout the movement. Fifteen-second walk break. Reverse lunges. Similar cues here to the forward lunge. Remember, nice big step, keep your eyes up, try to get each knee to approximately 90 degrees. Watch your balance here, and be careful not to turn your toes towards the side. Fifteen-second walk break. Time to slide. Remember, to have our body properly warmed up for any movement activity, we need to be able to move in all directions. So slides are a lateral movement. Keep your side orientation, make sure your feet never cross, keep your knees bent, and push off of your outside leg. Our next skill is the karaoke. Now, many students have a problem with this movement, so let's take a close look at the pattern. We stay in a side orientation, and as we move laterally, your leg crosses in front, then uncross, then it crosses behind. Now 30 seconds of quicker movement here. Again, concentrate on your side orientation, moving laterally, and twisting your hips.
Everyone, great job. That's our warm-up. You are now ready for dance, sports, any physical activity that you're ready to do next. Great job. I will see you in the next section.